Once things.
Just go ahead and give it to her.
For Josie.
All right. Go and close up her kennel so Milo can get his dinner. All right, go get Milo's
Mama,
dinner.
sit. When's Thanksgiving dinner?
He doesn't know how to do the trick. Go ahead and just release him.
Grandma.
What is it again?
Cleared hot. Make sure you lick up every last drop, Jose. Did you get it all?
Okay, shut the door, Eli.
Yeah, you better double check.
Eli, not shut the door.
Josie, are you going to check again? Raise your hand if you like dinner.
And thank you all for watching.
Good girl. Good girl. Was that so yummy? Hey, are you Josie? If you're Josie, raise your hand. Raise your hand if you're Josie. Good girl.